Alright, hello everyone and welcome to your 15th of November daily technical analysis video at CM Trading. Now we're taking a look at the dollar franc today because yesterday I did say it was a double top and it was a good place to sell, and as you can see the market started to retrace already. I think this still has room to come down. This has been a nice up move for the dollar franc and now it's time to kind of pull back and we'll see how that eventuates. As you can see, it's got a bit of room to come back. It can come all the way back to 98.40 before it sets back up again. Now this week it might just be around the top area here, and next week we'll see how it's going to happen. Probably it'll come down, do a retest and then fall back down again. So we'll see how that eventuates. But today for the rest of the week I'm expecting a pullback. Now having said that, on Thursday, the Fed Chair Yellen will testify, and on Friday, the ECB President Draghi will be speaking. So those 2 days are going to be probably choppy depending on what they're saying. So be mindful on Thursday and Friday when those two characters start to talk. Let's take a look at the pound. Yesterday we did say the pound dollar was going to fall and it came to the bottom of the channel. As you can see, this channel I had drawn yesterday is a very nice pullback here, very logical, very smooth, classical technical analysis situation. So this is a nice trend, that was a nice trade down. Now here, as you can see, pound dollar's got room to pick up right at the bottom of the channel. This is a support area for it now. Now we can see probably the pound dollar going to lift its head up again today towards the center of the channel. Let's see where that might be. If I just pick a point there, probably around there, doesn't sound too bad at all. Okay, so we might see the pound today back at 25.45 region, 50 region, somewhere around there. And in fact I'll just do that, and yep, around there. Okay, so that looks like a good place to retest. We might see the pound back up again. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. Nice little move. Now the euro dollar, as you know, I've been telling you that this is going to start moving up somewhere. Obviously that somewhere happened to be yesterday at 1.0740 region, and it's pulling up now. So this has got room to come up on Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, and including tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What we might see with the euro dollar is a retest of the bottom. If it does that, this is the spot to buy. Don't hesitate. All right, once again, if the euro dollar pulls back down on Thursday or Friday, okay, this is the spot to buy, and this is not a hesitation level. This is a really good spot to buy around here. So be mindful. Dollar Canadian, I did say we're going to go up, and we did. The market is now pulling back. Where we're going to pull back to, now we have to realign this channel a little bit to see what we might be facing. Let me just do this. Let's just delete this. Maybe what I need to do is to readjust what I'm doing. Okay, possibly, maybe this is how it should be. Okay, or maybe this is how it should be, or maybe this is how it should be. Okay, this sounds logical, looks logical to me. All right, so dollar Canadian, we're going to have a pullback on that as well. Nice little U-turn here, so we can expect this to be pulling back all day today, which is not a bad thing. What we're then going to do, let's just do this. You know what? Here we go. There we go. So somewhere around there, we're going to pull back to around 34.30 region. So we'll probably come back to around this level, or just be mindful, tomorrow we might have a little bit of a retest back up and then a push down. So this week, like I said, with all the speeches from Draghi and Yellen, this is what we should be doing. Okay, when the market pulls its head up, to sell it again. Okay, so that should be our attitude. And that's how we should be trading this currency pair. Aussie dollar, obviously going to be the opposite. Now this is the daily. Look at that nice little breakdown. Today it's picking up, probably going to end up around at 0.7617. All right, no, I'm getting all my numbers wrong. Okay, there you go. So 0.76228. So around there we might see the Aussie dollar. Let's make that a 4-hour chart. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and that looks like a logical place to go up to. All right. Dollar yen yesterday, we're looking for pulling back. Now we want to pull back to around 107.50 region. Okay, this was a level we had before from the other day. Yep, there you go. This is where it is. Oops, around there. Okay, it comes from this little resistance area here, all the way from July. So possible pullback to around down here, the dollar yen. I had said before it's good to buy, and the market has been buying, so now it's good to pull back before we think about buying again. Let's take a look at Brent now. Oh, nice. Yesterday I drew this channel, okay, and this was a double bottom area. As you can see, nice little breakdown, but retesting of this channel. So this area here, okay, is going to be the deciding factor. Now, if the euro dollar continues to go up, this will probably break up. What we might see this week with oil is no longer coming down, but starting to move up. So we might see this downfall, okay, finishing off. In fact, let me clean this up for you. Let's see what's going on with Brent, shall we? Okay. Right then. Oops, that wasn't what I was after. Yeah, that's what I'm after. Let's take a look at that. There you go. Okay, so we might see the Brent this week around here, and that wouldn't surprise us at all. That's 42.50 region. Okay, so if the market pulls back down to around here, this is a perfect buy level. Go for it. On the 4-hour chart, however, what you want to look out for is going to be the breakout of this channel. If it breaks out, then obviously we might be just pulling back in order to go long again. But definitely what we'd love to do is to buy this around this area here. Okay, that 42.50 region there. So if that happens, that would be just lovely. Okay, this week we might see it down here simply because Yellen and Draghi will be talking, and they like to move the markets. Let's take a look at gold. Nice little up move once again. If it pops down to 1,200 region, this is a buy level, very good level for support. So the market's testing off that level is all the way back to 30th of May. All right, so that's pretty long way back. If it retests that, that's going to be a really nice spot to buy, and it might do that on Thursday, Friday, when the speeches are going to happen. Will it drop down $200, $227 odd dollars? Why not? It's done it before. It's done it in as you can see, it's done it before, so you can definitely do it again. This is a 4-hour bar. It's not a problem at all. When the news comes out, it might just bang spike down and the market might buy again, so just be careful. I think it's a good level to be watching for sure. Hope that helps. Have a great day everyone, and good luck with your trading.